Welcome to this complete Fuengirola, Spain guide. Picture a vibrant city nestled on Spain's sun-drenched Costa del Sol. Imagine pristine sandy beaches, a characterful old town, and a history that weaves a rich tapestry spanning centuries. That's Fuengirola for you, from the whispers of the past in its ancient monuments to the lively rhythm of its bustling markets. Fuengirola is a city that promises a world of experiences. Today we're exploring the top 10 attractions in Fuengirola. First on our list is the Biopark Fuengirola. With a unique immersion zoo concept, this park isn't your typical walk in and see the animals kind of place. Instead, it's a journey into the animals' natural habitats, a true testament to the park's dedication to conservation. Here you can find a diverse range of animals, from the majestic Sumatran tiger to the colorful tropical birds and even the elusive Komodo dragon. The park's focus on conservation is not just about preserving these species, but also about creating awareness. It's all about understanding the delicate balance of ecosystems and the role each species plays in it. A stroll through the park is not just a feast for the eyes, but also food for thought. And it's not just the animals that will captivate you. The park's lush vegetation and water bodies create an environment that's as close to the animals' natural habitats as possible. A must-visit for animal lovers and conservation enthusiasts alike. Next, we head to the historic Sohail Castle. Nestled on a hill by the Fuengirola River, the castle stands as a grand sentinel overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. It's a testament to Fuengirola's rich tapestry of history, dating back to the Phoenician era, over 3,000 years ago. The castle's strategic location made it a crucial outpost for different civilizations, from the Romans to the Moors, each leaving their mark on its architecture. The thick stone walls whisper tales of conquests and sieges, of the shifting sands of power and time. In recent years, the castle has found a new lease of life. It now serves as a unique venue for concerts and festivals where the past meets the present in a symphony of sound and spectacle. Imagine watching a live performance under the stars with the ancient castle as your backdrop. Sohail Castle, a place where history and culture meet. Now let's hit the beach, or should I say, beaches. Fuengirola Beach and Los Boliches Beach offer an irresistible invitation to relax and unwind. Both beaches are well known for their pristine sands and clear, shimmering waters. Fuengirola Beach is a bustling stretch of coast, popular among both locals and tourists. It's a great place to indulge in some water sports or simply take a leisurely stroll along the promenade, lined with a vibrant array of bars and restaurants. Los Boliches Beach, on the other hand, provides a more laid-back experience. It's the perfect place to enjoy a good book or lose yourself in thought with the soothing sound of waves in the background. This beach is also family-friendly, with playgrounds and facilities to keep the little ones entertained. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a sun worshipper, these beaches have something for everyone. They are indeed perfect spots to soak up the Spanish sun. Time to dive into the heart of the city at Plaza Constitucion and Fuengirola Market. The Plaza Constitucion is more than just a simple square. It's the pulsating heart of Fuengirola. This lively spot is where locals and tourists alike gather for a taste of Spanish culture, surrounded by historic architecture and the gentle hum of everyday life. Now imagine a place where the air is filled with a symphony of sounds, from the chatter of vendors to the rustle of fresh produce. That's the Fuengirola Market for you. This bustling market is a treasure trove of fresh produce, local delicacies, and artisan goods. From the sweetest oranges to the most intricate ceramics, the market is a feast for the senses. There's something inherently fascinating about exploring a local market, isn't there? It's almost like stepping into a different world where every stall tells a story and the air is rich with the scent of local life. A true taste of local life in Fuengirola. We continue our tour at La Plaza de los Chinorros and Castillo de Colomares. Nestled in the heart of Fuengirola, La Plaza de los Chinorros is a delightful spot to pause and soak up the local atmosphere. This charming square is surrounded by quaint buildings, their balconies adorned with vibrant flowers, adding a dash of color to the scene. The plaza is a hive of activity day and night, with its numerous restaurants and bars. Here, laughter and conversation fill the air, as locals and visitors alike indulge in the Spanish tradition of tapeo, hopping from bar to bar, savoring small plates of tapas. If you fancy a break from the hustle and bustle, just find a spot at one of the outdoor tables, order a glass of sangria, and watch the world go by. It's a simple pleasure, but one that truly encapsulates the laid-back Spanish lifestyle. From the lively streets of Fuengirola, we venture to a place that seems like it's been plucked straight out of a fairy tale, the Castillo de Colomare. This stunning monument, dedicated to Christopher Columbus, is a testament to the intricate architecture of Spain. As you approach the castle, you'll be awestruck by its elaborate design, a blend of various architectural styles from Byzantine to Romanesque. Each nook and cranny tells a story, a tribute to the voyage of Columbus and the discovery of America. The castle is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a journey through history, a homage to an era of exploration and discovery. Take your time to explore the castle grounds, where you'll find beautifully manicured gardens, ornate sculptures, and stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. It's a place that invites contemplation, a place where history, architecture, and nature converge in harmony. From bustling plazas to fairy tale castles, Fuengirola has something for everyone. We wrap up our tour with a visit to Parque Fluvial Sohail and the Roman Archaeological Park. Parque Fluvial Sohail, a riverside haven in the heart of Fuengirola, is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving natural spaces amidst urban development. This park is a serene oasis where city dwellers and visitors alike can escape the hustle and bustle, taking leisurely strolls along the river or simply unwinding on the lush green lawns. It's not just the human visitors who enjoy this park. It's also a sanctuary for a variety of bird species, making it a delightful spot for bird watching. The park is also well equipped with facilities ensuring a comfortable visit. There are play areas for the little ones to frolic and picnic spots perfect for a family day out. And if you're into fitness, the park's jogging and cycling paths are sure to keep you on your toes, or wheels as the case may be. From the tranquility of Parque Fluvial Sohail, we step back in time to the Roman Archaeological Park. This archaeological site, once a bustling Roman town, is a reminder of Fuengirola's rich past. The park houses remnants of Roman structures, including a bathhouse, a fish salting factory, and a necropolis. What's fascinating is that these ruins aren't just relics of the past, but they continue to be part of the city's everyday life. They stand as a stark contrast to the modernity surrounding them, reminding us of the timeless allure of history and the stories it tells. The Roman Archaeological Park also features informative displays that provide insights into the lives of the Romans who once inhabited this region. So, whether you're a history buff or not, you're bound to find the visit enlightening. As we conclude our visit to these two remarkable spots, it's clear that Fuengirola offers more than just sandy beaches and sunny skies. It's a city where the present coexists with the past and where nature thrives amidst urbanity. A perfect blend of nature, history, and culture. And that wraps up our tour of Fuengirola's top attractions. We've seen the lush landscapes of Biopark Fuengirola, where wildlife thrives in a lush urban jungle. We've walked the ramparts of Sohail Castle, feeling the whispers of history on the Mediterranean breezes. We've lounged on the golden sands of Fuengirola and Los Boliches beaches, where the sun's rays dance on the azure waters. We've strolled through Plaza Constitucion and the heart of the city and haggled over unique finds in Fuengirola Market. We've explored the charming La Plaza de los Chinorros and marveled at the architectural wonder of Castillo de Colomares, a monument to exploration and discovery. And last but not least, we've wandered through Parque Fluvial Sohail and the Roman Archaeological Park, where natural and historical beauty intertwine. But Fuengirola is more than just its attractions. It's a city of warm smiles, friendly faces, and the tantalizing aroma of paella wafting from bustling tapas bars. It's a vibrant city that embraces its rich history while looking towards the future. It's a city where every sunset over the Mediterranean is a promise of another beautiful day to come. So whether you're a history buff, a beach bum, a foodie, or just someone looking for a bit of Spanish sunshine, there's something for you in Fuengirola. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and come explore Fuengirola. Trust me, you won't regret it.